Yo, what up, guys? It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute. I've been busy. I was traveling a little bit. I'm wearing a sweater. I was wearing a sweater today because it's actually cold out here in Texas, surprisingly. It's always just dumb hot out here, dumb humid. But it's actually starting to cool down. So, yeah, which I'm actually glad about because I can actually start wearing layers. I feel like my whole wardrobe is full of layers. Anyway, I hope you guys been good. I hope you guys been chilling. Hope you guys been leveling up. I know we're in some weird times right now. Yeah, not to be like a killjoy or anything like that. I know the world is crazy right now, but I hope everything is good for you guys. Yeah, today I want to talk about becoming a man, being more of a man, or how can I say it? Maybe the woman, wait, hold on. How can I say it? The lens your woman views you through should be that of a man. That's what I'm trying to say. She should not view you as a little boy. When she sees you, she should be like, okay, that's my man. That's my partner. That's a leader right there, okay? She shouldn't be looking at you like, oh, like, okay, this is my other son. I have my baby, and then here's my son. Like, he doesn't really know what to do. He never knows what to do. I'm always in control of the relationship. No. You want to have your woman, I don't know, you want to put your woman in a position where she needs you for everything. And I know that sounds controlling, but hear me out. I'm not trying to sound controlling, but you want her in a position where she naturally feels comfortable, a position where you guys bond, you guys' relationship is strong enough to where she naturally feels comfortable coming to you for advice, stability, guidance, support, just being a man. Like, she just can come to you for anything. Now, what do I mean by that? An example. I have so many examples that we could use. An example would be like, she calls you up, babe, king, my lord, daddy, I need your help. Where you at? What's going on? Oh, my car popped. My tire popped, or my car broke down. Oh, where you at? Oh, you over there? All right. I'll be over there in a minute. Just pull over to a safe spot. Get in the car. I'll be right there. All right, bye. Click. Skirt. Pull up on her. Oh, let me see. Yeah, this is an easy fix. I know how to change the tire. Let me do this right quick. You guys both drive home together. Or, dang, this is gonna take some time. I have the skills, I have the tools to fix it up. Yeah, don't worry, just take the car, go home, get dinner started, or prepare some food. If you're too tired, go get us some food or something. Just go home, I'll take care of this. While you're fixing it up or whatever, she's on her way home safe. Now, if it's something that you can't do, because there's been times where, like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Like, I don't know what the hell is wrong with the car. I'm like checking this looks good, this looks good. Okay, fine. I'm gonna call AAA. We'll work it out. You still go home. Or like, hey, boo, like, I can't get to you right now. I'm occupied, I'm busy. We got AAA though. Call the AAA man up. She's probably not gonna understand what the hell the AAA guy is talking about. There's some car women out there. Like, there's women out there who know a lot about cars, but come on now. Like, I feel like a lot of women don't know too much about cars. At least the women that I've encountered in my life, I don't know. The women who have been surrounding me my whole life, a lot of them don't know about cars. Now, in that case, we have AAA. We'll figure it out. Okay. Now, you can't, this is like actually a good segue. This brings me to my next point. You cannot be mad at your girl if she hits up Tyrone, Chad, or Enrique for assistance if you lack the skills, the knowledge, or the resources to get the job done. So many men be mad that your girl hits up so-and-so, but let's be real. A lot of times my homegirls have told me, like, they've called me up and said, Trey, like, I've given him a week or two, he hasn't done it, or it came out even worse, or he doesn't know what he's doing, or he just doesn't do good with like building stuff, like he's not savvy, or he's not this extends to like anything, whether it's like building something in the house, whether it's something with technology. Sometimes some of you guys just don't know how to do certain things, and some of you guys don't even spend enough time to figure out how to do those things. In that case, you can't be mad if your girl hits up a dude. Now, you want to have her in a position where she doesn't do that. She should be hitting you up. Even if you don't personally know, you're going to find out how to do it, or you're going to have the resources to get it done. Now, for you dudes who don't have any money and don't like skill and who's trying and who do not even attempt to get it done, that's on you guys. That's on you guys. Some of you guys can't even do like the simplest of things. Like I went out with a homeboy, we went on a double date, and his date, she was having car problems and she needed a tire change. And I was like, oh, like he was like, oh yeah, we'll just pay someone to get it done. I was like, wait, do you have a spare? She's like, yeah. I was like, oh, I could change your tire. I was like, wait, you know how to change a tire? And he was like, no. Like my homeboy's like, no, I don't know how to change a tire. I was like, okay. He was like, but I never had to learn. You just call and pay someone. But again, like there's certain skills that you just need to learn. Like you need to know how to do as a man, okay? And like there's a lot of skills that I have that other men don't have, and there's a lot of skills that other men have that I wish I had, okay? But just having skills for yourself, okay? You need to learn skills for your own betterment, okay? Not only for your family and friends, but mainly for you. Like just learn how to do things. It could be like the most random things. Like you never know when that skill will come in handy. But yeah, to backtrack a little bit, I have my girl in a position like that because I personally don't want her. I don't want her occupying spaces where ninjas are going to be all up in her face, where men are going to be all up in her face trying to holler at her. Now, I feel very, very confident in my relationship with my girl, okay? She's not going anywhere. I have her on lock. Not on lock in the sense of like, I have her controlled, but like, I just do so much for her. I offer too much of value for her, to where like the average man is not able to compete, if that makes sense. So like my girl couldn't tell you the last time she pumped gas. As far as she knows, she has unlimited miles in her car, okay? The same with her car. Her car's always clean. I'll go and get the car washed. I do these things so she's not in spaces where men can holler at her. Now my girl is she's free as a bird. I let her do anything, everything, because I feel confident in our relationship. I know she's not entertaining, but you want to have your girl in that type of mindset to where if a dude stepped up, she don't even want to entertain him. She's quick to say, I have a boyfriend, and I mean it. I actually have a boyfriend. I have a husband. She gonna say that. I'm married, even if she's not married. I'm married. Yeah, I forgot to put my ring on. My ring is in the shop. It's like, you know, like, yeah. And you're gonna have her in that position because she's gonna be thinking like, man, my man does so much for me. This guy can't even compete. He wants to go out on a coffee date, but he doesn't have a car. He's talking about like, wait, you're talking about what this? Wait, what? No. Like, no, I like, you don't have a car? You want me to pick you up? No, yeah, see, it's like you want to have her in positions where if a dude steps to her, he has to be one hell of a man. He has to be a high value man, or she's not going for it at all. Now, some of you men do not have skills. Some of you men do not have skills nor money, but you got her in that mindset. Kudos to you. Now, that goes into like establishing a deep connection. It's deeper than money. He got her mind, okay? A lot of times those men, that's all they really have is their pipe and their mind. That's a different level of game. We could talk about that in another video, but if you're that man to where she just comes to you because you offer, like every time she talks to you, like she can have like a tsunami in her head, but when she talks to you, you calm the storm. It's like nice, subtle ways now. You got her at peace. The tsunami is no more. There's no more tornadoes. It's a nice breeze, okay? When she talks to you, you come from like a man's point of view. You hold a man frame, a man image to where you're just calm. You offer her logic, reasoning. You balance her out, okay? Become that guy, become that man. This is not like performative. Do not become a performative man. Like, oh, do this, do that. Like, I know how to do this. Like, I'm the loudest in the room. No, you can have a quiet, chill confidence to you. When she needs you, you just, all right, yeah, cool, I got it. Yeah, you should do this. Or, yeah, I can help with that. Do not be a do-boy. That brings me to my next point. I'm kind of just like everywhere with this video. Do not be a do-boy. We only do this for our wives or for women who are fully submitting to us, women who are giving us that king treatment, okay? We're not doing this for any old strag on the street. Now, if you want to be a gentleman and you want to help out, or there's certain situations where, yes, we need some real men. We need men to step up and to do the right thing. But if it's not one of those life or death or serious situations, if you see like a woman on the side of the road, and because I know how some of you men are, some of you men don't even want to waste your time, right? So you see her, right? And you be like, damn, she looks good. If you don't want to waste your time, be like, oh, like, you need help? You good? Oh, okay, cool. Pull off. Or like you come in, if you don't want to, for the guys who don't even want to help, because there's guys out there, man, she got a man, I'm not even going to deal with it. Let her man deal with it. All right, you see her, pull over, roll down your window. Oh, like, is your man, you good? Is your man coming to help you out? Yeah, he's on his way? All right, cool, boom. That's how you do that, all right? But if she's like, no, like, I don't have anyone, like, I don't know what I'm doing or whatever, that's on you. You can help out if you want. You can be like, yeah, like, all right, patched you up, your wheel's good, your engine looking good. Oh yeah, you just needed a jump start. Yep, you're good to go. All right, hey, you know, before you leave, man, like girl, you look beautiful to me. I know you probably hear that all the time, but I want to get to know you. All right, like, can I give you my number, or can I get your Instagram, your number, or whatever? Okay, cool. If she says cool, if she says yes, cool. If she says no, don't crash out. Don't break down the car, you know, like, you're gonna break the car, man, just to prove a point. Like, nah, it's not that serious, you know, just keep it pushing, you know. That way it shows that, like, okay, all men are not like thirsty, right? Like, this is not no quid pro quo. Like, don't think because you helped her out, you about to get some kitty now. Like, if you're gonna do it from the heart. Or if you don't want to waste your time, you can ask like a pre-screening question, all right? For those men out there, because yeah, there's men out there like that. I think what I'm just trying to say is just like we need to get to a point where men are just men again, and we just take on that leadership role. And I know that's hard in today's society because so many women nowadays, it's like, I don't know, the way the media betrays women and men nowadays, it's weird, it's wrong. Like the way they portray women, and I'm not trying to take away from women at all. You women are not only beautiful, but you women are so smart. You guys have achieved so much just throughout history. But nowadays, it just seems that like women are always portrayed as like faster, smarter, better, more superior in every which way. And it's not always true, bro. Like there's a lot of situations where, let me stop. You guys don't know what I'm trying to say, but we need to get to a point where men are just being men. And I know that's hard nowadays because, like I said, the media plays a big role in like women can do everything. And a lot of times I feel like women don't even want to ask for help because other women view them as like pick-me's. Like, oh, she's a pick-me, or she's trying to gain attention from men. Or women will see other women as like weak. Like, why does she need a man to help her out? Like, she couldn't call a guy, or she doesn't have like another home girl to help her out. Like, I don't know, we're in weird times. But yeah, we need to get to a point where men are just being men again, okay? A lot of men, I feel like nowadays, are just boys. And we all need to level up. We need to man up. I think what I'm just trying to say with this video is that just always hold the viewpoint of a man. When she comes to you, be there for her, okay? Offer her stability. Offer her peace of mind. Always hold that masculine frame. Anyway, I feel like I talked long enough. I'm gonna drop another video. I know I've been MIA. I'm probably gonna upload this one tomorrow. You guys will be getting another video this weekend. I'm about to drop another gem. Until then, please like, subscribe, share this video with someone who you think will benefit from, okay? Until then, peace out.